Guys, this is my second Python program. This is something which I like to do whenever I'm bored. I play around with this particular code. It's called I like to call it countdown. It just what it does, it just counts down the time, and then you can print any message you want. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, I want to create a function countdown. I'm gonna pass in a parameter. Let's say lst. Okay, I'm gonna initialize my variable. I'm gonna use a simple while loop to loop through the countdown. While I is less than or equal to, let's say, 10, we wanna make a long countdown, tens. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna print lst. Let's say let's use an array, so you can use an array. Plus one, let's increment it. Then we can print launch at the end after the countdown is finished. Okay, we can say lau. Let's make it look more. Yeah, that should do. Okay, actually let's print it in a new line. That would look much better. Okay, I'm gonna create an array here for my countdown. Actually, let's count from 10 down. Okay, I'm gonna call my function here. Okay. Okay, let's run it and see if it works. Ta-da! But the countdown is really fast. I think let's try and slow it down. Okay, where do I okay, I'm gonna slow it down right in the middle here. Let's say let's slow down the time using the time inbuilt function. Sleep 0.5 would use 1 second, but that would be too long. Okay, let me just import the time. Now let's see how this one goes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Thank you guys for watching. That's a simple countdown program.